Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dog food for Siberian Huskies that are available on the market for their true quality. It's a list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Blue Buffalo Wilderness Adult Dry Dog Food. Blue Buffalo Wilderness embodies the spirit of your canine's wild ancestry with its blend of high protein and natural ingredients. As a grain-free formula, it boasts real chicken as the primary ingredient to help build and maintain lean muscle mass for active dogs. Enhanced with vitamins, minerals, and life source bits, a precise blend of antioxidants hand-selected by holistic veterinarians and animal nutritionists. Blue Buffalo Wilderness promotes immune system health while delivering a delicious taste that dogs crave. As pet owners ourselves, we understand how important it is to provide our furry companions with wholesome nutrition. This is why Blue Buffalo Wilderness tops our list as the #1 choice for dog food. The combination of healthy carbohydrates from sources such as sweet potatoes and peas, along with omega-3 and 6 fatty acids, make this formula perfect for supporting an adult dog's skin/coat health and energy needs. Moving on at number 4, we have the Taste of the Wild High Prairie Canine Grain-Free Recipe. Taste of the Wild High Prairie Canine Grain-Free Recipe with roasted bison and venison adult dry dog food provides your furry friend with a nutrient-rich, high-protein diet that satisfies their craving for something wild. As the #1 ingredient, real roasted bison and venison are used to supply energy to support bones, joints, and lean muscle growth. This premium dog food is packed with vitamins and minerals from fruits and superfoods, omega fatty acids for healthy skin and coat, as well as species-specific Canine strain proprietary probiotics for healthy digestion. The grain-free formula featuring sweet potatoes and peas makes it highly digestible for your active dog while providing them essential nutrients they need to thrive in their everyday life. Made in the USA by a family-owned business using trusted ingredients from domestic sources guarantees quality control every pet owner desires. At number 3, we have the ORIJEN Grain-Free WHOLEPREY Dry Dog Food. ORIJEN Original Dry Dog Food is an excellent choice for dog owners seeking a nutritious, high-protein, and grain-free diet for their furry friends. It contains 85% quality poultry and fish ingredients that are loaded with essential proteins, vitamins, and minerals to support your dog's overall health. Sourced from trusted suppliers, fresh regional ingredients such as free-run chicken and turkey, wild-caught fish, and cage-free eggs ensure that your canine companion receives a diet rich in various whole animal components. One of the standout features of ORIJEN's dry dog food is its biologically appropriate formulation. Mimicking the nutritional composition of a raw diet allows it to cater effectively to dogs' natural needs at all life stages. Its carefully selected ingredients, including meat, organs, cartilage, and bone, provide optimal nourishment for dogs as nature intended while being gentle on their digestive systems. At number 2, we have the Wellness Core Adult Dry Dog Food. Wellness Core Grain-Free High-Protein Dry Dog Food offers a nutritious and well-balanced meal option for your canine companions. Made with real turkey and chicken, this 26-pound bag of premium dog food not only fulfills the protein requirements, but also ensures overall health benefits as it is devoid of corn, wheat, or soy. The high-quality protein content supports leaner body mass and muscle tone, while the natural ingredients make it an excellent choice for dogs with sensitive stomachs or those prone to allergies. With its unique formula containing non-GMO ingredients sourced globally, Wellness Core promotes healthier skin and coat through omega fatty acids derived from flaxseed and salmon oil. In addition to that, glucosamine helps maintain strong joints. Probiotics aid digestive health. Taurine contributes to a healthy heart. And finally, at number 1, we have the NUTRO Natural Choice Large Breed Adult Dry Dog Food. The NUTRO Natural Choice Large Breed Adult Dry Dog Food offers a wholesome, natural diet specifically crafted for the unique needs of large dogs aged 18 months and older. Boasting real chicken as its #1 ingredient, This dry kibble delivers an excellent source of protein that helps keep your beloved pet trim and fit. The chicken and brown rice recipe ensures not only great taste, but also provides essential antioxidants to support healthy immunity in your four-legged companion. With natural sources of glucosamine and chondroitin included, NUTRO's formula supports optimal joint health in large breeds prone to related issues. Made without any GMO ingredients or additives such as chicken byproduct meal, corn, wheat, or soy. This 40 pounds bag promises both quality and quantity for your canine family members' dietary regimen. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.